Just as with the part drawing, the view palette is automatically populated with views that we can simply drag onto the drawing sheet. Let's leverage the explode steps we just created here on the drawing and add some additional views, such as a front view and a top view. SolidWorks automatically scales the drawing to accept the views placed on it, but this can be easily changed. Let's make this quarter scale. That looks better. No assembly drawing is complete without a bill of material, and SolidWorks makes quick work of this by extracting all the components and their quantities and descriptions. No bill of material is complete without balloons, and the auto balloon tool makes this a snap. We can position the balloons to our liking or choose alternate balloon layouts. For this view, we'll place the balloons on the left and choose to balloon all instances. These balloons are added to the view, then placed on a magnetic line that can be used for positioning. Additional magnetic lines can also be added to the drawing, and we can grab some of the balloons and snap them onto this new line to make the drawing easier to read. We'll do a little cleanup work on some of the balloons. And let's change the display of this view to shaded, and that's it.